So our topic was family health and sexuality in second grade. And for our lesson, we had two objectives from the Georgia State Standards, which is HE 2.2, analyze the influence of family, peers, technology, culture, media, and other factors in health behavior. And then we also said HE 2.8, students will demonstrate the ability to advocate for personal, family, and community health. And then just for a couple more objectives that we made ourselves, we said recognize the different types of families, describe what family means to them, and also how they can make their families healthier. And then we also said write an opinion piece and discuss a story to examine gender stereotyping. And our health focus is to learn about family health and sexuality. And then we're also utilizing physical activity during our brain break by doing a go noodle dance, so they get their jitters out and get to exercise. And our academic focus is to write an opinion piece with supporting facts and to write a definition.
Okay, so for our activities, we kind of split it up into two different activities with a brain break in the middle, just so we're able to focus on family health as well as sexuality as two different topics, really. So for our first activity, we're going to talk about families and how the meaning of family is different to everyone. And we're also going to be talking about what makes a family healthy. So first, we're going to have the students draw their families on paper, and then they're going to list two things that they could do to make their family healthier, as well as write their own definition of what a family is underneath the picture. Before that, we're kind of have a discussion about things that make a healthy family so that they are able to pick two things that they can work on. We'll be talking about communication with the parents and siblings, showing appreciation and caring for one another. So after they draw their family and write down their two things as well as the definition, we're going to have a class discussion. We're going to have students volunteer to share their picture and their definition of family. After this, we're going to have a brain break using Go Noodle. The students will get out and do like a little workout. It's the Pump It Up video. It's a small kind of dance workout for elementary students. So after the brain break, we're going to dive right into the sexuality topic. We're going to do an activity about gender roles and talking about the different stereotypes for men and women based on their sexuality. So the teacher will read a book called The Sissy Duckling. It's really cute. It's about a male duckling who's a little boy in elementary school, and in the book, he would rather bake a cake than play baseball, and the dad is not happy about it and pressuring his son to play baseball and telling him that boys don't bake cakes and all kind of stuff that shows the different stereotypes that goes into the male sexuality. So after the teacher reads the book, the students are going to write an opinion piece on why they think the father duckling was upset because his son wouldn't play ball and he wanted to bake a cake instead. They will state their opinion on that topic and then list 3 reasons to back up their opinion to why they think this. After everyone's done, the students are going to volunteer to read their writing, and then we'll have a class discussion on the different opinions from the classmates and how that relates to the different gender roles and stereotypes that went along with the story. And that is our lesson. Thank you.